Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions. So on today's tutorial we are going to show you how to import a KML or KMZ file to ArcGIS. Now we are on our folder here. This is the KML file. If we try to drag and then drop, we have an error message, could not open the specified file. And then if we come to add data and we do the folder connection, and now we have navigated to the folder we want to connect. Now even inside of that folder we cannot see our KML file, right? Good. So you cannot just directly add a KML file to ArcGIS. The solution will be for us to come to conversion tools, and then we go to from KML, then we click on KML to layer. Now when this window opens up, we click on the browse, and then inside of that folder now that we have connected, we can see what our KML file. So it has been loaded. So we leave the output location as default as it is, then we click on OK. So the process has started, and then we'll have our layer somewhere around there, the layers panel, very soon. Good. So we have the success report, and then we can see what the file here, it has been loaded. So we can decide to ungroup this. We don't need it as a group. And then under the polygon, if we double click, we can see that the property is now a file geodatabase feature class, right? Good. Not a KML file again. So at this point you can decide to maybe work on the symbology, maybe make it thicker or the rest of that, and then you can still decide to export it. Data, export data. So you are exporting all the features using the same coordinate system as the layer source data, and then you specify the output feature class directory, and then you click on OK, and then you now have what your KML file exported as a geodatabase or a shapefile. But remember that by default the file that is here is already what a geodatabase, right? Good. So we have shown you how to bring in a KML or a KMZ file to ArcGIS. We'll see you on another interesting one. Until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.